Good morning all. I am Pawan Kumar, grade 2, Maths, chapter 2, addition. It's a revision part. My practice type 1. First one, add the following. Add the following. We want to plus 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6. Write the place value. Ones, tens. Ones and tens. First add ones place. First add ones place. Step 1. Add ones. Your ones place is 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. The next one, ones place, tens place. Tens place 1 only having. So bring down the number 1. Listen here. Ones place 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. The number 9 write in ones place. Next, step 2. Bring down the number 1, write in tens place. So our answer is 19. 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. The next one, arrange in columns and add. Arrange in columns and add. 46 plus 3. First we arrange the numbers vertically. 46, 3. 46 plus 3. We want to plus, so plus 3. Take the place value. Ones and tens. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. First you add ones place. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. The number 9 write in ones place. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. The next one, tens place. Bring down the number 4, write in tens place. So our answer is 49. 49. 46 plus 3 is equal to 49. The next one, my practice type 2. Add the following. First one, 46 plus 9. Add means plus 46 plus 9. It is a with regrouping method. It is a with regrouping method. First one 2 digit number and then second one 1 digit number. So we want to add 2 digit number with 1 digit number. We want to add 2 digit number with 1 digit number. Take the place value. Ones and tens. First we add ones place. Step 1. Add ones. Here ones place is 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. You want to add 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 15 is a 2 digit number. 15 is a 2 digit number. So we take the place value of number 15. 15 is a 2 digit number. We take the place value of 2 digit number. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. That means 110, 5 ones. 110, 5 ones. Now we add ones. So we take ones place 5. Write in ones place. The number 5 write in ones place. Next we go to the tens place. Remaining 1 having the number 1 carry over to tens place. Number 1 carry over to tens place. So plus 1. 1 plus 4. Step 2. Next one, step 2. Add tens. Add tens. Listen here. Here tens place is empty, so we take 0. So we want to add tens place. Carry on the number 1, then plus 4. Carry on the number 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So our answer is 55. 46 plus 9 is equal to 55. The next one, chapter 2, arrange in columns and add. Arrange in columns and add. The first one is a 2-digit number and the second one is a single-digit number. We want to add 26 plus 7. 26 is a 2-digit number, 7 is a 1-digit number. So we take a place value. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. Now we add ones place. Add ones. The first step is add ones. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. 13 is a 2-digit number. So we take place value ones and tens. Ones, tens. We have 3 ones and then 1 tens. 3 ones right in ones place. Here ones place. 3 ones right in ones place. Ones place is 3. So we write 3 ones in 3 place. Ones place. Next we go to tens place. 110 remaining having. So 110 borrow to tens place. 110 borrow to tens place. 110 carry out to tens place. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So our answer is 33. 26 plus 7 is equal to 33. The next one, my practice time 3. Add the following. Now we add 2 2-digit numbers. Now we add 2 2-digit numbers. 43 plus 13. 43 plus 13. Both are 2-digit numbers. We take the place value ones and tens. Ones and tens. Now we add 2 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping. Step 1. Add ones. Here ones place is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Number 6 right in ones place. Next we go to the tens place. Our tens place is 4 plus 1. 4 10 plus 1 tens. Add tens. 4 tens plus 1 tens is equal to 5 tens. 5 tens right in tens place. So our answer is 56. Next one, 2. Arrange in columns and add. Arrange in columns and add. 64 plus 33. First we arrange the numbers vertically. 64 plus 33. You want to add, take the place value ones and tens. First we add ones. Step 1. Add ones. Your ones place is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. The next one we go to tens place. Step 2. Here our tens place is 6 tens plus 3 tens. 6 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 9 tens. First we have ones place 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Next we have 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. The 9 right in tens place. So our answer is 97. 64 plus 33 is equal to 97. The next one, my practice time 4. Add the following. Now we add two digit numbers. Two digit numbers. Then with regrouping. Take the place value. Ones and tens. We want to add. Step 1. Add ones first. For ones place is 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. The number 11 is a 2-digit number. 11 is a 2-digit number. So we take the place value. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. Now we have one ones and then one tens. One ones right in ones place and then one tens carry over to tens place. One tens carry over to tens place. So we add tens place next. Step 2. Add tens. The tens place is carry over the number 1 plus 1 plus 5. Listen here, carry over the number 1 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So we have 7 tens. So answer is 71. 14 plus 57 is equal to 71. Next one, arrange in columns and add. Arrange in columns and add. This is two-digit numbers. Then with regrouping method. You want to add plus ones and tens. First we add the ones place. Step 1. Add ones. Your ones value is 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. 8 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 15 ones. How many ones? 15 ones. So we take the place value for 15. Ones and tens. 5 ones, 1 tens. 5 ones right in ones place. Then 1 ten carry over to the tens place. So next we go to the tens place. Step 2. Add tens. Here tens value is carry over the number 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 tens. 9 tens. 9 tens right in tens place. So the answer is 95. 38 plus 57 is equal to 95. The next one, my practice time 5. Add 3 one-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3. Add 3 one-digit numbers. We want to add 3 one-digit numbers. Add 3, 5, 6. 3 plus 5. First we add first two numbers. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Next we add 8 plus 16. 8 plus 6. Next we add 8 plus 6. The answer 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Ones place 4, tens place 1. So our answer is 14. 3 plus 5 plus 6. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Our answer is 14. The next one, to arrange in columns and add. It's also arranged in columns and add. 5 plus 6 plus 4. You want to plus 3 one-digit numbers. First we add 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. The number 11. Add plus 4. Add 4. 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. 5 ones and 1 tens. Take the place value. Ones tens. Ones tens. 5 ones and 1 tens. Thank you to all.